Are you looking for the perfect premium gaming headphones? Well, look no further. We've got the Zebronics ZEB-JET Pro. This is a very good gaming headphone, a budget gaming headphone with 40 neodymium driver and a 2 meter braided cable. A braided cable makes sure that it lasts longer, it has a long life. And it comes with a very premium packaging. Let's open this and see what's inside. Well, the packaging looks amazing. The product first feeler is amazing. I really like these transparent tubes. These transparent tubes give this headphone a very futuristic look. These are actually the LED lights. When you plug this headphone in, these will light up and they will glow in different colors, bright colors. The look and feel of the overall headphone is very premium. As you can see, there is a control device where you can switch on or switch off the mic. So easily you can control when the mic should be working, when not should be working. And then you can control the volume as well from this button. It comes with two different wire sets. One is the audio cable and the second one is the USB cable to power the lights. Now let's see what happens when we plug this in. So I have already plugged in my audio jack. Now I am plugging in the USB wire and there you see these LEDs light up as soon as you switch them in. They look so cool. And then you've got these LEDs here as well, and they also look really cool. They really look like a gaming headphone on both sides, and that's how this product stands out from the other products, other gaming headphones in the market. Now let's check out the quality as well. So overall, excellent budget gaming headphones, perfect for everyday gaming, perfect for kids.